Evaluate the geometric series. So first off, it's geometric, which means you multiply a number every time to get to the next guy. It's a series, which means you add everything up, and I want 8 terms. So this is the equation for the sum of the first n terms in a geometric sequence. You take the first term, you multiply it to a fraction. In the numerator, it's 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r in the denominator, close parentheses. I know my first term. It looks like I'm multiplying 4 every time, so my common ratio is 4. And it looks like I'm already have 8. So if you're like, oh, I need to find the 8th term. No, I don't. If it was an arithmetic series, yes, I would. But with geometric, I don't need to find the 8th term. So that makes life a little bit easier. So the sum of the first 8 terms in this geometric sequence or series is going to be the first term, which was 2, times 1 minus r, which is 4, to the 8th power over 1 minus 4. Just showing a little bit of work. That ended up being 1 minus 4 to the 8th is negative 6,500, or negative 65,535 over negative 3. And when you multiply all that together, you get 43,690. So if I were to keep multiplying this by 8, do it a couple more times, I would have 8 numbers. And when you add them all up, you get that number right there. That's how I evaluate a geometric series without doing too much work. Although the work here isn't the worst. I mean, if you had to double check your work and just go, okay, fine, times 4, times 4, times 4, times 4, plus, 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 it would be all right. But this wasn't so bad either.